Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve real estate education with AHWD, full guide step by step clearly. Understanding the importance of real estate education is crucial for success in the industry. The AHWD, or At Home with Diversity program, offers valuable insights into diverse communities. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the AHWD curriculum. Visit the official National Association of Realtors website to access resources. Download the course materials to understand the structure and content. Identify key topics covered in the program, such as fair housing and cultural competence. Next, enroll in an AHWD course through a certified realtor association. Attend in-person workshops or online webinars for interactive learning experiences. Engage with instructors and fellow participants to enhance understanding. Take thorough notes during the sessions for future reference. After completing the course, apply the knowledge to your real estate practice. Start by incorporating diverse marketing strategies to reach a broader audience. Seek out mentorship from peers who have successfully utilized the AHWD principles. Participate in local community events to connect with diverse populations. Utilize social media platforms to promote inclusivity in your real estate business. Regularly revisit the AHWD material to reinforce your understanding over time. Consider becoming an AHWD instructor to share your knowledge with others. Continuously seek additional training and resources on diversity in real estate. Stay informed about changes in fair housing laws and regulations. Engage in ongoing conversations within the industry about diversity and inclusion. Measure the impact of your efforts by tracking your success with diverse clientele. By implementing these steps, you can significantly enhance your real estate education with AHWD principles. This focus on diversity not only enriches your professional capabilities but also strengthens your community ties. Commit to lifelong learning and adaptation in an ever-evolving real estate landscape. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.